Hi guys, what's up? Thank you so much for watching Mostly Sane. I'm Prajakta. Welcome back to another hashtag Sawal Saturday video where every Saturday I answer your questions. Happy Independence Day, everybody. I'm hoping कि आप घर पे हो, आप safe हो और as Indians, as citizens of this amazing, great country that we all love, let's please do everything that we can in order to make sure that our country is safe and healthy and great. ठीक है? We have a bunch of questions for this week's hashtag Sawal Saturday. Let's get into it. Vaishali Ingre. Hi Vaishali. Hi, I'm Anaya. Oh, hi Anaya. If you could date, I love you. Oh, I love you too. You're 13. If you could date a non-living thing, which thing would you date? यार आई थिंक आई वुड डेट द बुक दैट आई एम रीडिंग राइट नाउ. मुझे लगता है मैं अभी फिलहाल तो सारे हैरी पॉटर बुक्स के साथ काफ़ी तगड़ी वाली रिलेशनशिप में चल रही हूँ पिछले 1 महीने से. सो या आई वुड डेट अ बुक. If you stand in the mirror, in front of the mirror of erased, is that how it's said? Shit, how can I forget this? From Harry Potter. But I know the mirror, जिसके सामने आप खड़े होते हो और आपके जो सबसे बड़े desires होते हैं वो आपको वहाँ दिखते हैं. What do you expect to see in the mirror? I expect to see me standing with my people, my friends, my family, my team, happy, healthy. Everybody's happy, everybody's healthy, everyone's smiling, there's hugs happening. That's all I desire. That's literally all I desire. Hey, this is a nice question. Arvind Gupta. Hi Arvind. Hi Prajudi. How are you? I'm good. Can you make a video on quick and easy pony hairstyles? Okay, Arvind Gupta, you seem to have really long hair. I love your hairstyles and your hair. Please also give tips for hair. Yeah, I think you will want to change your opinion about loving my hairstyles and my hair. ये मेरा Saturday look है. Oh boy. लेकिन मैंने एक ट्यूसडे के वीडियो में, मेरे ख्याल से पिछले ट्यूसडे वाले वीडियो में, इट्स कॉल्ड हेल्थ हैक्स, उसमें आई हैव स्पोकन अबाउट व्हाट आई डू फॉर माई हेयर. आई पुट अ लिंक इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन, प्लीज गो चेक इट आउट. और इजी पोनी टेल्स मतलब क्या ही है यार. आई डोंट नो, आई डोंट रियली डू, आई डोंट नो, I just do this. Asmi's Creative Corner. Hi Asmi. My first question is that if you were to choose one of these potions, what would you choose? A potion to always stay young, a potion to be invisible, a potion to live forever, a potion by which everyone will be your genie, a potion by which you will get as much money as you want. I think I'll take a potion to be invisible. I think there's a lot I can do if I'm invisible. Mahalakshmi SR. Hi Mahalakshmi. Hi, my name is Aditya. Hi Aditya. You are driving a bus with 10 people. Okay, I have a common sense question. You are driving a bus with 10 people in it. In the first stop, 6 get down, 4 get in. Okay, and in the second stop, 5 get down and 5 get in. And in the third stop, 8 get down and only 1 gets in. So what is the age of the bus driver? I'm guessing above 18 because that's when you're from Bangalore. So at least Bangalore के bus drivers को तो मेरे ख्याल से 18 से ज़्यादा चाहिए होता है driving license. पता नहीं, did I give a really stupid answer? But I think that's the answer. I don't know. I'm hoping the bus I'm in has a licensed driver. Sucharita Das. Hi Sucharita. First of all, I love you and your content. Thank you so much. Now my question is, if you have the option to relive one moment of your life, what would that be? If I had to relive, oh my god, there are so many moments that I would want to relive. So 2 साल पहले 2018 में 31st May को, which was my mom's birthday, हम स्विट्जरलैंड में एक छोटा सा शहर है शामोनी, जिसमें एक ऐसे केबल कार लेके यू गो अप, एंड वहाँ पे एक छोटा सा कॉफ़ी शॉप था जहाँ पे मैं, मम्मा और बाबा बैठ के कॉफ़ी और डोनट्स खा रहे थे. एंड आई रिमेंबर जस्ट फीलिंग सो हैप्पी एंड सो कंटेंट एंड जस्ट I knew that in that moment I had everything that I needed, and I was so grateful for the life that I was living. I was grateful for the smiles on the faces of my mama and baba, और मेरे ख्याल से that moment I would want to live again. वाह. Tina Kuhade. Hi Tina. What would you do if your best friend body shamed you? I'm asking this question because it happens to me a lot of times. Love from Chhattisgarh. यार अगर आपका बेस्ट फ्रेंड आपको बॉडी शेम कर रहा है तो फिर आई डोंट थिंक he or she is your best friend in the first place. What I would do is I would tell them that I feel so sorry for you, you know, that you think of me as just a piece of mass and you don't really care about me as a person. So bye. That's what I would say. Sumit Ratnapurkar. Hi Sumit. Can you give some tips to redecorate your room? I have been commenting for this. I'm sorry I didn't reply earlier. यार मेरे लिए redecoration is a very personal process. I mean मुझे सिर्फ frankly लगता है कि आपका घर is a complete reflection of how you are as a person. तो कुछ चीज़ें आपको अच्छी लगती हैं जो शायद मुझे पसंद ना आए, और कुछ चीज़ें ऐसी है जिनके बारे में आई एम क्रेजी बट आपको पसंद ना आए. सो आई थिंक द ओनली टिप आई वुड गिव यू इज दैट मेक इट वेरी पर्सनल. डोंट, आई मीन टेक इंस्पिरेशन ऑफ कोर्स, बिकॉज यू नो यू सी वीडियोज, आप पिंटरेस्ट पे जाते हो, आप इंस्टाग्राम पे चीज़ें देखते हो, आपको लगता है यार ऐसा होना चाहिए. सो देयर हैज़ टू बी इंस्पिरेशन दैट कम्स, बट इवेंचुअली इट हैज़ टू फिट. सो bring as much personal style as you can, bring as much personality as you can. I like plants. I like a lot of plants in my house. You know, I like pictures and I like quotes, so I think that's always a great idea. Ria, hi. When was the last time you laughed very hard? I think yesterday, me, Mama and Baba, we were trying to record something. और मैं इतनी जोर से हंसे जाऊँ मैं, और मम्मा हंसे जाए because I can't tell you what we were recording, but yeah. Do you think that humanity is natural or learned? I don't think it has to be an either or question. If it is not natural, it can always be learned, I think, and it should be. What were the top 3 lessons you learned the hard way? I think one of the lessons that I learned the hard way was that you never really stop learning. कभी भी अगर आपको ऐसा लगे कि oh you have it, you got it, you know it, it's not true. There's always scope for more learning. There's always mistakes you'll make and you'll learn from it, I think. I don't know top 3, but this is the one that's coming to mind. Trust me, there's like a zillion things I've learned. Harshida Sarvi. Hi Harshida. Hi, hello. Have you ever been removed out of your class? If yes, then what reason? I remember मैं 9th standard में थी और मेरे मराठी सर जो थे उन्होंने मुझे क्लास से निकाल दिया था. और पता है, it was so unfair because it was not even a mistake that I did. I remember there was this guy, जैसे पहले रो में मैं बैठी थी और दूसरे रो के 2nd या 3rd बेंच पे कहीं पे वो बैठा था. And he kept saying something, okay? He kept saying some joke that I couldn't stop laughing on, and I kept telling him कि listen sir देख रहे हैं, please. And then जब सर ने देखा तो वो एकदम चुपचाप था और मैं हंसी जा रही थी, मैं बिल्कुल कंट्रोल नहीं कर पाई. तो सर ने मुझे get out, और मैं जो मतलब मेरा ऐसे हुआ था ना कि I don't deserve only education. How could I be thrown out of my class? मतलब मैं ऐसे नहीं था कि I was an overachiever and a first ranker. It was never like that, but I'd never been thrown out of class, you know. तो मराठी पीरियड में 9th स्टैंडर्ड में. Okay, that is all the questions we have for this week's hashtag Sawal Saturday. अगर आपको कोई सवाल पूछना हो तो please put in the comment section below. I will answer it next Saturday. अब मैं जा रही हूँ. I hope you're spending time with your family. I hope you're also taking some down time. I know कि क्वारंटीन में हर दिन ही वीकेंड टाइप हो गया है, बट आज सैटरडे है और आज इंडिपेंडेंस डे है, सो ओवरऑल छुट्टी वाली फीलिंग आ रही है ना. सो सिट बैक, take some time off, it's fine, it's all going to be okay. Whatever it is that you're struggling with, I promise you're so much stronger than you are and it's going to be great. Okay, Baba Prajakta is over and out. I'll see you again on Tuesday. Until we meet, love.